Ever struggled to keep your nails looking perfect while juggling cooking and family gatherings? Today I'm showing you how to achieve gorgeous, festive nails effortlessly, just in time for the holidays. Hello nail enthusiasts, welcome back, and a big hello to all the newbies who are joining us for the first time today. With Thanksgiving around the corner, it's the perfect time to get your nails looking festive and fabulous. In this video, we're going to unbox some amazing nail products and review them while sharing tips to keep your nails looking flawless throughout the holiday. Whether you're cooking up a storm or hosting family gatherings, I've got you covered. A special thank you to Born Pretty for sending over these products used in today's video. They're currently having a Thanksgiving sale using code TG50, so don't miss out. All the links to the items will be listed in the description box below. Alright, let's dive into this box. First up, we have the 30 ml Nail Rhinestone Glue. This is perfect for adding some bling to your designs, although I decided to skip it for today's look. Next, we have the Sparkling Painting Gel. This will add a touch of glitter and shine, making your Thanksgiving nails truly pop. Now let's check out the 15 ml Non-Stick Hand Extension Nail Gel. Ideal for adding length and elegance to your nails, perfect for those holiday dinners. Here's the 30 ml Solid Nail Tips Gel. This will help secure your nail tips firmly, ensuring they last through all the festivities. Up next is the 10 ml Rainbow Water-like Cat Magnetic Gel. This gel will give your nails a mesmerizing, shimmering effect, adding depth and sparkle. We also have the 10 ml bottle in the color CG077, part of the Silky White Series Gel Polish. This shade is great for creating a beautiful autumn base that's both rich and elegant. And finally, the 10 ml bottle of the Water-like Cat Magnetic Gel. This one's all about adding that final touch of elegance with its cat eye effect. I can't wait to show you how to use these products to create a stunning Thanksgiving nail look. Let's get started. Before we start, here's what you'll need for this nail tutorial. Watch closely as I demonstrate each step, from prepping the nails to applying the final top coat. Follow along to ensure you get the perfect Thanksgiving nails. Let's get those nails ready for Thanksgiving with a detailed step-by-step guide. Follow along closely and we'll make sure your nails look absolutely stunning. First things first, make sure your nails are clean, trimmed, and prepped. This step is crucial for a smooth application. Next, choose the appropriate size tips for each of your nails. They should fit snugly from side to side without overlapping your natural nails. Apply a small amount of the soft tip gel glue to the nail tip and press it onto your natural nail. Flash cure for 5 to 7 seconds to set. Then do a full cure for 60 seconds under a UV lamp. After applying the tips, gently remove any excess glue that may have seeped out around the edges. File and buff the tips to your desired shape and smoothness. Remove any dust with a bit of alcohol on a cotton pad to ensure a clean surface for the next steps. Apply a thin layer of the base gel to your nails and cure under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. This will help the polish adhere better and last longer. Now we're ready for the fun part, creating your Thanksgiving nail design. Follow along with the next steps in the video to see how I use the Born Pretty products to create a stunning festive look.
Me and my friends are waiting in line, sharing one last blue camel. Don't have any money, but we're going out. Yeah, we saved up every penny. I'm smiling at him in the blue shirt and the Converse, but I'm thinking about you. Are you thinking about me?
And there you have it, gorgeous Thanksgiving nails ready to impress. To recap, we've unboxed some amazing nail products, prepared our nails, and created a stunning Thanksgiving themed look. It's easier than you think to have beautiful nails for the holidays with these tips. Thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. I'd love to hear your own Thanksgiving nail art ideas in the comments below. Wishing everyone a happy Thanksgiving. And don't forget to stay tuned for our Christmas series, which is my favorite festive season. This segment is just the prelude to kicking off the holiday celebrations. See you in the next one.